Hello guys, I welcome you back into this channel. So what I want to explain to you right now is how to configure reservation inside DHCP. So how can we reserve a specific IP to a certain system on the network? So without delaying our time, let's dive into how to do it. And before I explain how to do it, if you are new inside this channel, please don't forget to like, share and turn on the notification button. So the first thing we need to do is to open our server manager. When you in your server manager, you need to click on tools and choose the options that says DHCP. So once you choose the options that say DHCP, we expand and we're going to see IPv4. So we'll click on the scope. So once I click on the scope, we have different options here. Address pool, which is where you're going to see all the ranges of IP you want to give out and where you don't want to give out. So if it comes to address list, that's where you're going to see which IP server has already give out. So that's where you're going to see. But what I want to do now here is a reservation. So once in the reservation, the third option is a reservation. You need to right click on new reservation. So we are going to ask you for the name. I'm going to name this reservation Sammy, and you're going to ask you what is the certain IP you want to be giving out as a reserve for this particular system. I will just use 10.50. Next thing is going to ask me for the MAC address of the system. So heading into the Windows 10 and type this command get MAC. Type get MAC, you're going to see the Windows 10 MAC address. So what we're just going to do, let me just put it here 08. So I'm going to put it here is 08 hyphen. So you're going to put the Windows 10 MAC address 00 27BO 27BO, okay, 27B0, hyphen C3 hyphen 14. All right, also once you put it, so you can put a description based on anything you want. I can just say only this always. So you can use anything. I want this particular system to be getting this particular IP address always. So the supported type, put it on DHCP and you click on add. So here says this client IP address is not valid. Hold on. All right, so once you click on add, this guy is already added here, which is the reservation. So how can we check if this reservation is working? If I type IP config here, which is the IP address that this Windows 10 is using before, you can see that this Windows 10 has 10.21. so how can we flush this IP and get a new IP? We're going to be using this command ifconfig space / release to release the IP we are using before. We're now going to use the second command, which is ifconfig space / renew to get a new IP address. So let's check which IP this Windows 10 is going to be getting as a new IP. So let's hold on for it. All right, boom. As you can see here, what we're getting here is a 192.168.10.50. That's how you configure reservation. It means that in any time we power off this system, we turn it on, it's going to be getting only this IP every time. If you still type the same command ifconfig release to release that, if you type renew to get a new IP, you're still going to see that we're going to be getting that particular IP address every time. So that's what I want to show you, and if you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.